Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to help you fix the File Explorer Preview Pane in Windows 10 or 11. The inability to preview files like PDFs or Word documents without fully opening them can be frustrating. A working preview pane saves time, so let's explore some solutions. Follow the steps carefully in this video to ensure that you don't miss any fix that works for you. So first, you need to enable the preview pane. Open File Explorer and click on View from the top left corner of the screen. Now select Preview Pane. In the top right, select a file to see if the preview now works. If you still see no preview available or is similar, proceed to the next method. You need to restart File Explorer. So open the taskbar, right-click on the Windows icon and select Taskbar, or you can also press Ctrl+Alt+Delete on your keyboard and select Task Manager, or you can also search for it. Then the Task Manager, find a File Explorer under the App section, End Task or Restart Task if the option is available. Then reopen File Explorer and try previewing a file again. If the preview still isn't working, you need to adjust the File Explorer options. So in the File Explorer, go ahead and select the View tab from the top. Then after, select Options and select Change Folder and Search options right here. Go to the View tab, then scroll down and make sure that the box is checked beside Show Preview Handlers in the preview pane. Then select Apply and select OK. Hopefully one of the solutions resolved your problem. If not, try the final method, which is you need to open the command prompt on your computer. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Give administrator privileges. And here, you need to enter sfc/scan now and press enter on your keyboard. The system will begin scanning and repairing any found issues. This process may take some time, and once the scan is complete, restart your computer and check if the preview pane is now working. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.